Liver is a major organ in our body, major glandular organ in our body, or major gland, but it has got two major functions. One is to store the energy for us, another one is to detoxify the toxic material that is there in our food itself, normal food. Something has to be eliminated, that is being done by the liver. It is a unique organ which can repair by itself with the reserve cells that are present in the liver itself. So, how liver gets problem, how it gets disease? We actually take normal diet that has got small amount of toxic material. Nowadays fertilizers are added in the food, or it is there while we are growing the rice, etc. Fertilizers are used in the land, that actually is accumulating in the plant and the rice, etc. whatever we take, that actually is a toxic material which is going to be detoxified by the liver. So, some amount of toxic material are there in our food which has to be eliminated by the liver. But how this gets overloaded? See, if you go to the doctor, they give medicines. Any medicine you take has got side effects. All medicines have got side effects. If you go to a doctor with diabetes, who is a diabetologist, or if you are suffering from blood pressure, if you have already undergone cardiac surgery, or if you are suffering from asthma, they don't give only one medicine. They don't ask you to take only medicine only for a short period. Once diabetes, you are identified with diabetes or blood pressure, chronic disease, you are asked to take medicines forever. But it is not a single medicine. They give medicine for diabetes, morning one, evening one, night one, like that. Apart from that, the medicines are taken into the system through the stomach, oral cavity. So, it accumulates in the stomach for some time. It causes irritation, causing gastritis. So, not only for diabetes, they also give antacids to control the acidity which is being produced by the medicines that are given. All these things are going to be eliminated, assimilated, then eliminated by the liver. Liver is now overloaded with the problem. Not only what is there in the food, it is also there in the form of medicines. So, once the medicines are accumulating in the liver, liver has to detoxify. So, once the liver takes this function, it is permanently damaged. Almost all the time you are taking the medicine, throughout your life you have to take the medicine. Detoxification is being done by the liver, which is being overloaded, overstressed. Because of this, liver damage is being done. Not only that, nowadays most of the people are suffering from cirrhosis. What is cirrhosis? Liver has got a smooth surface, but it becomes almost dry on the surface of the liver. Sometimes vesicles appear. This is called cirrhosis, cirrhotic liver. How it happens? Most of the people are going for alcohol or some drugs, etc. Now, alcoholism also produces cirrhosis. So, to prevent alcoholism or to prevent de-addiction, you have to go to the Manipura chakra. So, cirrhosis is another damage done to the liver by consuming alcohol. If you go on overloading the liver with a lot of medicines, actually liver gets disease, liver starts showing the enlargement, that is called hepatomegaly, or it starts showing the symptom of hepatitis, inflammation of the liver, or sometimes because it is overloaded, sometimes it gets disease, sometimes it becomes so damaged it warrants actually for liver replacement therapy. Sometimes liver gets even chronic disease in the form of cancer. So, cancer, cirrhosis, hepatitis, hepatomegaly, cholesterol, all these are all symptoms of or disease of the liver. How to prevent this one? you have to protect the liver. Liver has to be protected completely by taking only simple medicine, what is called liver 52. There is no other medicine to protect the liver. The only thing is avoid alcohol, avoid drugs. Don't overload your liver with so many drugs. Avoid drugs. So to avoid drugs, what is the other solution? If you don't want to take medicine, you have to go for alternative medicine. What is the alternative medicine? The liver is under the control of Manipura chakra. Manipura chakra is present here, but it is again under the control of Agni chakra. Treat Agni chakra, then slowly come to the Vishuddha chakra, Anahata chakra, and treat the liver by going to the Manipura chakra. If you keep your hand on the Manipura chakra, automatically liver recuperates. Liver has got the reserve cells, stem cells. It has got the capacity to utilize the reserve cells. But only thing is, we are overloading or overstressing the liver. Because of this only liver damage, permanent liver damage occurs. To avoid permanent liver damage, utilize the reserve cells by going to the Manipura chakra. Then another function is to store. In case a person gets too much of problem, stress, emotional disturbance, then what happens? The liver comes to our rescue. Even if there is emotional disturbance, liver comes to your rescue. That is how the diabetes occurs. Simple example, if your mind is disturbed slightly, what will happen? You feel the symptom in the stomach region. Then stomach shows the symptom of some disturbance. So why is that stomach shows the symptom of some disturbance? Because the endocrine organ, pancreas is present, which has got the cells called beta cells, which are capable of secreting insulin. So this actually gets the disease. Once it starts malfunctioning, automatically diabetes occurs. I will talk to you about diabetes a little later in another video.